जय हिंद बच्चों। तो आज हम स्पोकन में फिर से दोबारा क्लास लेके आए हैं, ठीक है। तो स्पोकन में जिसको भी खड़ा करके बुलवाएंगे तो उसको फ्लुएंटली बोलना पड़ेगा, ठीक ना। तो देखो सबसे पहले क्या होता है कि इंग्लिश जब हम बोलने आते हैं किसी मंच पर कहीं भी इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए खड़ा होते हैं ना, सबसे पहले क्या होता है कि अगर नॉलेज है, ज्ञान है तो बोल सकते हैं। उसमें क्या किसकी जरूरत है? कॉन्फिडेंस का। अगर तुम्हारे पास ज्ञान नहीं है तो कॉन्फिडेंस कोई काम नहीं आएगा, है ना। तुम्हारे पास बहुत सारा कॉन्फिडेंस है, बहुत सारा मन में एकदम लगा है आग बोलने के लिए, लेकिन ज्ञान ही नहीं है किस पर हम बोलेंगे, क्या हम किस तरह सेंटेंस मेक करेंगे, किस तरह सेंटेंस जोड़ जोड़ के हम लोग बनाएंगे, वो ज्ञान नहीं है तो फिर तुम इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाओगे, ठीक है। सपोज दैट अगर तुम लोग से अभी अगर हम पूछ दें, अगर बोल दें कि तुमको, अगर तुम लोग को क्या बोल रहे हैं कि 12th का क्वेश्चन पूछने वाले हैं, 12th का क्वेश्चन पूछने वाले, तो तुम लोग क्या होगा, तुम लोग का जितना भी ज्ञान है सब क्या हो जाएगा, फट के निकल जाएगा। लेकिन यही अगर हम पूछ देंगे तो लोग को दुक्का पहाड़ा पूछेंगे। सर हम बोलेंगे सर 15 का 15 बापे बुने जड़ भतुआ पढ़ना स्टार्ट एकदम, है ना। तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस होता है किससे? सबसे पहले तो क्या करना है, अपना इंट्रोडक्शन, उसके बाद तुमको टॉपिक उधर पे ले जाओ सामने, ठीक है। बोल हाथ बोल के।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, I'm Pius. I'm 12 years old. I read in Ramesh I read in 8th class. My hobby are playing, reading. I want to be an Indian Army. Let me tell you something about my family background. My father's name is Ramesh Yadav. He is a farmer. He is 35 years old. My mother's name is Savita Devi. She loves me. We are two brothers. I'm in restaurant.
थोड़ा सा स्लो बोल रहा था ना, जब भी आओ थोड़ा स्पीकिंग लाउडली करेगा।
Hello friends, I am Narkli Kumari. I am 13 years old. I am reading Human Jalar. I am read 8th class. I like to talk about I good girl.
I am good girl.
I am good girl. My hobby is read. Let me tell you something about my family background. My father's name is Rajesh Pandit. He is a farmer. He is 14 years old. He always helps me. My mother's name is Sita Devi. She loves me. She is homemaker. We are 4 brothers. I am oldest one.
कल्पना कर लेना है कि वो मेरा फ्रेंड है, वो मेरा ड्रीम है, यही मेरा भगवान है, यही मेरा गीता है, यही मेरा सीता है, यही मेरा पपीता, यही मेरा दादा, ठीक है। सब यही है। इसी से हम क्या करेंगे? विदाउट नॉलेज यू कांट डू एनीथिंग वेल इन दिस वर्ल्ड। इफ यू हैव नॉलेज you have confidence. If you have knowledge you have confidence. You don't have knowledge, you don't have confidence. So my dear student, you are no knowledge. Without knowledge you call in this world fool. बिना नॉलेज के तुम इस दुनिया में क्या कहलाओगे? मूर्ख कहलाओगे। तुमको हर सोसाइटी के लोग, हर तरह के आदमी तुमको लूटेगा, हर तरह आदमी को डिस्क्राइज करेगा तुमको। Every people want to disguise you, demean you, so you can arise. If you have dream, you do anything in the world. If you have a dream, you do anything. Are you mad? No. Are you mad? No. So are you not mad? Are you not mad? So you have a dream. Without dream, without goal, without goal. अगर तुम लोग को सपना देखना है ना, तो सपना अगर देखना है तो दिन में देखा करो, दिन में देखा करो, क्योंकि दिन में आंखें खुली रहती है और रात में आंखें बंद होता है। तो बंद आंखों से सपना देखना गुनाह है, वो सपना कभी फुलफिल नहीं हो पाएगा। इसलिए दिन में तुम सपना देखो जिसको हम पूरा कर सकते हैं। दिन में देखा हुआ सपना पूरा होता है। उसके पहले उसका जो सपना तुमने देखा है, जिसके पीछे तुम इतना प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, उसके पीछे लग जाओ, उसके पीछे दृढ़ संकल्प के साथ लग जाओ कि हमको इसको अचीव करना है। You are the best in the world. You are the best in the world. You are, because you are a student. You are a student. You do anything in the world. So my dear student, you have build knowledge. You have build confidence. You earn knowledge. You earn knowledge. Day by day, you practice. You practice yourself. Without practice, you can't do anything well. You have to power. You have capacity. You are the ability to do anything in the world because you are a student. You know very well. You know very well. I am a student. I am a teacher. I am an educator. I am a farmer. I am a teacher. You know what I am talking now.
Yes.
You know very well. I am talking now in the education field. So big clapping for the boy. I am a give one topic. You speak about this topic. Okay.
Yes.
Come on. I am asking. Who wants? Anyone? No. Big clapping for the boy. This boy. Come on.
Thank you for giving me good opportunity.
I ask you a question. Why do you read?
Because reading is my hobby and I want to be a teacher.
You want to be a
Teacher.
Teacher is a good line of your life. Suppose that you are dream fulfill your dream.
Yes.
What are you doing now? Then what are you doing?
First, I go to my mother, father, and my teacher, and I pray because he helped me in my life, and I most like to the teaching, and he always helped me in my children's life. And today I'm here, and I'm a teacher.
That's
My mother and father don't have money, and my teacher is a very kind man. I go to my teacher and I earn knowledge, and I most like that Ramesh sir because Ramesh sir is my life's ruler, and he always help me, and she loves me. He loves me. And my teacher's name is Sri Munni Kumari, and she loves me because she is my mother's teacher, and she always teach me.
Then when do you read? What is your routine? What is your daily routine? When do you read? When do you eat? How many times do you eat in a day? Take this speak.
I read at 7 p.m. In my evening time, and I don't have money, so I daily don't read in evening time, and I daily read in morning time. And I come back to sir, and I read, and I fulfill my homework in the sir's coaching, and I go to home, and I read, and I fulfill my reading in morning.
Morning time.
Yes.
Morning time is a very good time in our life, in everybody student's life. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, come on, come on. Next boy, I want to ask him. I want to call Divyam. Come here.
Clapping for this boy.
Divyam, first of all, I would like to know that what is your dream?
My dream is Indian Army.
Indian Army. You want to be a Indian Army. Am I right?
Yes.
Why do you want to be Indian Army?
Because Indian Army is a very good.
Very good. He helps everybody, like a poor, like a richer, everywhere in the world. Indian Army is active. Okay. Second question, I ask you, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Repeat the answer.
My favorite subject is English.
Why do you read English?
Because
Why do you choose the English?
because English subject is very good.
Very good. You like to English subject.
Yes.
You like to English subject. And third question, what are you doing here?
I am reading.
You are reading. Which class do you read?
I read in class 8. I read in class 8.
8. You read in class 8. Which color do you like?
I like to read.
Red color. Wow, red color is my favorite color. Which flowers do you like?
I like red.
You like to? Red. Next boy. Piyush Kumar, come here.
Clapping for this boy.
What do you want? What is your dream?
I want to be an engineer.
What is your height? Like a 3 feet, 3 feet, 3 feet, and you yourself keeping level up, and slowly increase yourself. Slowly physical measurement fulfill. Then you prefer to Indian Army. Okay. Again question. What do you do at evening time?
I play.
What do you do at night time?
I read.
Night time. Your father asked me, my son Piyush Kumar does not read at night time. Why? Why? Why do you know? Why don't you read at evening time? At night time? Every time you spend your time playing, spend your time whatever you spend your time, and time work is very important. Why don't you utilize your time? Okay, you speak friendly, you read friendly, you learn most. Without knowledge, you can't do anything in the world. Okay? Come on. Take your seat. Next boy, I would like to call Kazu Kumar. Come here.
Clapping for this boy.
Kazu Kumar, first of all, I would like to. That is your personality. That is your personality. Silent, keep quiet. Keep quiet. He like a sweet chocolate. He like an alien. Very good. First of all, I would like to ask you, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Lot of subject in there, like math, like science, like Hindi. Why do you prefer to English?
English good subject.
English you like the most. Yes. Speak in front of. You like to dance?
I don't like to dance.
You don't like to dance. Why do you don't like to dance? Why don't you like to dance? तुम नाचना क्यों पसंद नहीं करते? पसंद क्यों नहीं करते? What do you like?
I like to
You don't like to dance. Why do you like to play? Why do you like to read? Silent. Why don't like to read? Oh sorry, play. तुम खेलना पसंद क्यों नहीं करते? तुम पढ़ना पसंद करते हो, अदरवाइज और तुम दूसरा क्यों नहीं पसंद करते? और दूसरा तुम क्यों नहीं पसंद करते? That is my question.
because I like to read.
You like to read. You don't like to play. Okay. Again, I ask you, how many years do you spend in other city? कितना समय दूसरे शहर में स्पेंड किया अपना शहर छोड़ के? 2 years. When do you live? Tarapur. That is called Tarapur. Come on. Come here. लास्ट में और पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं.
हम इंग्लिश में कुछ लाइन बोलना चाहते हैं क्योंकि वह मेरा एक सपना है इंग्लिश को खत्म करना.
That is your dream. Okay.
Yes. English. If you bad, I'm your dad.
That is the line. If you इंग्लिश को इन्होंने प्रेजेंट किया कि यदि तुम बुरा हो तो मैं तुम्हारे लिए बाप हूँ, है ना. अगर इसलिए कहने का मतलब कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए कि इंग्लिश में अगर हम इंग्लिश को हराए तो कैसे हराए, अपने पास लाए तो कैसे लाए. ठीक है, चलो ठीक है, अब इसको बंद कर दो. हम आगे देखते हैं आप पढ़ाई की ओर.